The most rare of value stamps of Andorra. The 100 francs of 1950 depict the typical animal of the landscape of Andorra, a state located on the border between France and Spain, that is the chamois, lives in the Pyrenees mountain range. On the right, next to the face value of the stamp, you will notice an inscription of a character, G. Barlang. It's about Gabriel Barlang, the French painter who painted this illustration of the chamois with the mountainous landscape behind it. Today, one of these pieces is worth around $28. These 4 stamps of the valleys of 1937 to 1941 have on the left the nominal value that varies from 2 to 10 cents, immediately next to the French writing which translated means cents to collect. In the background you will notice the leaves of flowers, vegetation that intertwine one with the other. In the upper left part there is the inscription Chiffre Valleys or figure of the valleys. In fact it shows the vegetation, the leaves of flowers that are present in the valleys of the Andorra. Today, one of these 4 stamps can be worth $45. The river stamps of 1955 to 1957 depict the Valere Dorion or the river that crosses the country and originates in the far east of the state. This 24 kilometers long river is a tributary of the Segre, a large river located in the south of France and north of Spain, 265 kilometers long. With nominal values of 100, 200 and 500 francs, they depict the river that makes its way between the slopes of the mountains. In the center the Church of Saint Joan de Caselles, a Roman church built with a bell tower of the 11th century, and finally an eagle flying to the top. Today, one of these pieces can be worth around $65. The stamps of the timber tax of 1946 to 1953 are particular for 2 reasons. The first is that they represent wheat, a symbol of agriculture. The second, the most important one, is that under the image the words timber tax translated tax stamp are shown. There are not many stamps that bear this writing, of various nominal values from 10 cents to 100 francs. Today one of these pieces can be worth $85. The 1955 landscape stamps depict 4 different scenarios. The first, the mountains surrounding the country of the Escaldes, an urban area which is located near the nation's capital. The area is well known for its natural thermal springs. The second, the Church of Santa Coloma, one of the most important buildings in the Andorra Valley. The construction was born in the 9th century and finished in the 12th century. The third, the Gothic cross, built during the Middle Ages, is tens of meters high. The fourth, the village of Les Bons, located in the center of the nation, is home to just over 1,200 inhabitants, and has a spectacular landscape around the town. Today, if you own a complete set of one of these 4 symbols, it is worth around $110 in the collector's market.